Joe Rogan, good man. I love the man. He's funny at times. So today we're watching some of Joe Rogan's best bits, okay? YouTube. We're watching a video about Joe Rogan YouTube, okay? Push it, okay? Give it a push, okay? Fuck.
You're really emphasizing his name, mate.
Joe Rogan.
Bees are
amazing.
Well, you know, bees are dying too.
Yeah.
Bees are dying from the heat.
Is it the heat?
Yep, they're evaporating, they ejaculate, and their whole body blows up.
Is that real?
Bring it up, Jamie.
They clip
Jamie's like, no problem, and he gets it every time. And it's true.
where
It's
Joey
actually true.
Diaz.
The early vote more than all of the vote from
No, it was
some years?
some
Yes, that's what I was
years,
going to say. For Texas
How
specifically.
about you let him answer since he's the fucking expert? You're looking at
Oh, no. For
You're
Texas
looking at me.
specifically, yes.
That shoulder. Guaranteed.
I'm about to get in my foot for my plantar.
You still have plantar fasciitis?
Horribly.
Are you still running?
Yeah, I have to.
You have to?
I just love it.
Why don't you get one of them zero runners? Have you seen that thing that I have out here?
Is it a Woodway?
No. It's like a.
It's weird.
It's
Yeah.
sort of like an
Sorry.
Sort of like an elliptical machine to like a.
It's weird.
It's
Yeah.
sort of like an
Sorry.
Sort of like an elliptical machine to.
It's weird. Sorry.
Oh, Jamie.
It's like.
Oh, yeah, it's down ballistic.
What's he doing?
Legit. Fucking. This chick was a little. She was
Still going. He's trying to tell a story. He's like, let's go. Okay. All right, let him speak. So he's so excited.
But cat fight, hardcore. On Last Comic Standing.
He's still going.
I feel like in that moment he learned he can do a cat impersonation, so he just wanted to keep going just because he can.
The old mate's trying to go off and talk about his relationship with his daughter or something. He chose to sit there going,
Yeah, I'm funny, vibing.
We later found 700 pounds. We later found the track on the road where
Get sitcoms. They were all struggling to be the host of a talk show.
That's tonic.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have soda?
Yeah, it was good, Joe. You're right. It was good when there was a
fuck?
level of acceptance that the place was a failure and that we were.
Do you think?
I agree.
Yes,
I agree.
But hold on.
The
hold on.
government
We
didn't have to bail anybody out.
We have a problem.
We have to deal.
Peter,
we have to deal with our issues.
Peter, we have a problem listening to each other. People that I know who have friends that are on unemployment don't want the economy to reopen because they would lose money. And I was like, my God,
look, I know
what a
people that
conundrum.
can't hire people.
But
you can't get people
on,
to work.
please.
I can do work. I get more money not working.
Hold
so you know
on.
what some people do?
Peter,
they
Peter,
work under the
Peter,
table.
Peter, hold
they
on,
get
please.
cash.
Jesus
they want to
Christ.
pretend they're
Peter.
See, I feel like that's one of the reasons that he doesn't do many of those podcasts.
Yeah.
The ones with the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, because they talk at the different times.
Mm-hmm. I've experienced that, video-wise.
Yeah. Peter.
so you can keep getting those benefits.
In Fear Factor, this is for them.
Dude, you have to chew it too. I want to see.
Turn it, let me see it. Legs are moving, dude. Antenna's moving. Say goodbye.
Bye, baby.
Dude, that still creeps me out.
He doesn't give a shit. He doesn't give a shit. Oh, it's getting to him. Oh, there'd be so much shit coming out of that.
Dude, you are nails. Dude, you're the sickest dude I know. Seriously? My kids could have watched this up until now, okay?
You're a man.
Make sure you don't have any legs between your teeth.
Yeah.
We're good.
And the antenna.
Now that is why I'm the host of Fear Factor.
You deserve it.
Yeah.
You deserve it. You deserve it. That is locked.
All right.
Wow.
Dude, you understand what that would be like to watch a bear eat you dick first?
Dick
That's
first,
how you die.
think?
Dick first. A bear just right at your crotch.
He's looking at him like, you know?
Fucking giant bear head clamped down on your dick and your asshole. And you're going, no! and that's how you die. A lot of people have died that way, man.
A lot of people have died that way.
From a beer eating their ass.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Who would have
That's
thought
a good way to go out, you know what I mean?
Is it?
Yeah, well, I mean, anyone else could die of a heart attack, or you could die from a beer eating your dick.
Which would you rather have on the headstone?
A beer ate my dick. Yeah, I got killed by a beer.
And I'm liking your legs. There, I said it out loud.
They're thick.
Should we throw out dates? Can I throw out a couple?
Yeah, what do you got?
Can I throw out a couple?
Yeah, what do you got?
Let's have a look. What the fuck?
Damn. What?
I've never seen you in shorts, and I'm liking your legs. There, I said it out loud.
They're thick.
Should we throw out dates? Can I throw out a couple?
Yeah, what do you got?
Can I throw out a couple?
Yeah, what do you got?
Go
Shit, not me.
Hi. Hey,
challenge.
we're cool. We're cool, man. We're from National Geographic Society. We just come to make sure your baby's okay. Fucking crazy 800-pound silverback bursting through the trees. Right in your face.
Oh my God, I want to kill you. Yeah. Like, do you understand? I want to grab your neck and choke the life out of you. I'm containing myself, you fucking...
Can you do that again?
Probably not.
Look, here's the thing.
Fine. Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.